Accessories for screw rods, double-sided adhesive tape, adhesive promoter. First, install the 2 screw rods on both sides of the spoiler. It's the same for the other side. Apply the adhesive promoter to the part of the spoiler where the double-sided adhesive tape needs to be pasted. Stick the double-sided adhesive tape along the edge of the spoiler. Do the same for the other side. After pasting it well, peel off the double-sided adhesive tape in the middle part. Peel off the double-sided adhesive tape at the edge for about 3 centimeters, which will facilitate the installation and adjustment in the later stage. It's the same for the other side. It's the same for the middle part as well. Before installation, wipe off the dust on the vehicle with a cleaning cloth. Apply the adhesive promoter to the part where the double-sided adhesive tape is pasted. Install the spoilers. First, adjust the position of the spoiler. Peel off the double-sided adhesive tape and press it down firmly with a little force. While peeling off the double-sided adhesive tape, you also need to adjust the position of the spoiler. Peel off all the double-sided adhesive tape and press it forcefully to fix it with the double-sided adhesive tape. Finally, apply the adhesive promoter to the cover piece. Stick the double-sided adhesive tape on the edge. Peel off all the double-sided adhesive tape. Apply the adhesive promoter. Install the cover piece and press it forcefully. Then the installation is completed.